This video is an unboxing of the Flybird multifunctional dumbbell bench. So let's jump right into it. It has been a long time since I purchased a new bench to test out and review on this channel. So I decided to buy the Flybird as it fits some of the criteria I was looking for that didn't match into the fitness reality bench that I currently own. The number one issue I have with my current bench is that when folding it, it doesn't fold very small to properly fit into my closet. Yes, it will fit, but it is still pretty bulky and long in terms of putting it into my closet. So I wanted to find one that was easier to, when I was done, pick up, fold together, and put away. That led me to the Flybird after doing some research. It has good reviews and ratings, so I decided to try it out, buy it, and see what I think about it after a few weeks of testing. And today is day one of unboxing, so let's take a look at the unboxing procedure and see how it went. So in all, this was very, very easy to set up. It didn't even take me 5 minutes, and I didn't need the instructions at all in order to take it out of the box and get it ready to go. It's pretty self-explanatory, but all you need to do is, one, take the foot support out as well as the entire rest of the product, and you basically just unfold it, set it to the height that you want it to be, install that little foot support, and you're good to go. There is one more little piece that they give you that you put into the back of the bench in order to provide more support in the bench overall when doing things with the dumbbells. Without it, you might not have the structural integrity in order to keep it from collapsing on itself. So I do recommend putting this pin in order to have the bench supported properly. For cost of this product, it is a bit more expensive than my fitness reality bench, as it did come in at $205.45 after Texas taxes. This is also a big Prime discount off of the original price, which I believe is over $300. So I'll try and get Prime if you can in order to get this bench at a lower cost to you. But overall, I am pretty happy with the purchase. We'll see how it goes. But so far, in terms of folding it up, it is way, way easier and better than folding up my fitness reality bench. Don't get me wrong, my other bench is great and has still worked well to this day, but so far this one has really blown me away in terms of how easy it is to use. So with that being said, let's jump in and take a look at what I think of the product when actually using it in my first tests. And note, I've not used this in a full week of training yet. This is, again, day one of opening it. I just wanted to try out some exercises and see how it feels. So overall, doing the normal things like the bench press, incline press, and you can also decline this one quite a bit. So you can do that as well. And this goes a bit further down than I'd say the fitness reality in terms of an angle and a decline, if that's what you're looking for things like crunches. Overall, it's worked great so far. Again, it is day one, so I haven't run into any problems yet. But just note that so far, all of the exercises feel sturdy and I fit well in the product overall. So I think the Flybird bench is a go for now. My only one issue I might have is this is a pin selector, where the old one was more of just a pick up and move the back bench to adjust it. So it does take a little longer to move it overall. But if you're used to the gym benches, this is the same as, again, you have that pin. You just take out the pin, move it up, and move it back in. But it felt a little hard to move it for some reason. It wasn't like a smooth transition for me. So that's the only thing I have a little bit of a con with to start. But otherwise, I think the product is great overall. And I think it's going to be the one I move forward with after doing some testing. But we'll see after I run it for at least 1 month. And that's it. That's the unboxing for this product. So again, super, super easy to set up and go. Under 5 minutes to get this thing ready in total when going from start to finish. Also, it feels great in terms of using it. And it folds very, very easily and well in order to simply put into my closet when it is done. So I'm pretty excited to try this. Again, it is more on the expensive side, so that's a big drawback. But so far, so good. We'll see how it goes after at least 1 month of training, where I'll get back to you and tell you what I think of it after at least 30 days. So if you did like this unboxing, please like and subscribe to GamerBody for more unboxing videos just like this one. Also, make sure you head over to GamerBody.com. There you can check out my current training program, the equipment I own and use, and the information I'm learning from in order to build muscle and burn body fat, all from the comfort of home. And again, like, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Be fit and game on.